Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions of that is part 59. As you can see, I had already discussed up to part 58, which are very useful for all competitive examinations up to graduation level. Please have a look in playlist, which are very useful for all the central government as well as defense examinations. Let us see what it has been given in the slides. Initially, we have breeding and management of bees. We knew that whatever the farming concerning to the bees, as you can see to the right side, how exactly the apiculture has been done by the people for the good income of the honey. So this breeding and management of bees is called apiculture, that is for the production of maximum honey. Next we have the phenomenon of midnight sun in Norway is the result of location of the place, rotation and revolution of the earth. We knew that what is exactly land of midnight sun is, that is Norway is known as land of midnight sun. In this, what exactly happens is during the poles, during the location of the poles, the location, that is the main reason, and the rotation and revolution of the earth is the main reason for this midnight sun in Norway. The military operation Restore Hope. Please remember, whatever the military operation had been done at Somalia, that operation named as Restore Hope. You have to remember all these military operations, whatever was conducted. As you can see, Operation Sukoon, it has been conducted from the whatever the evacuation of the people from the Somalia. These are all various places. So that has been done by the Navy. DDT is a insecticide. This is what exactly you have to remember. DDT is an insecticide, and what exactly the abbreviation is, within this time you can comment me in this section. Islets of Langerhans, they are present in which place? We knew that in pancreas. Pancreas secretes insulin. This insulin is secreted from the islets of Langerhans. We knew that Gol Gumbaz, which is located at Bijapur, was constructed by Muhammad Adil Shah. So as you can see, the Gol Gumbaz, it's one of the biggest dome you can find over there. This is located at Bijapur in Karnataka. Now we have the coliform count in drinking water is done to ascertain fecal contamination. As you can see to the right side, how membrane filter analysis takes place. Here coliform bacteria, aerobic and facultative anaerobic, and here gram negative, non-spore forming, rod shaped. These are one thing, ferments lactose with gas production. So whatever within 48 hours 35 degrees Celsius, this is what exactly they do in the coliform count. Drinking water is done to ascertain what? To ascertain fecal contamination. Next we have the Mopla movement. We knew that whatever the movement that is concerning to the Mopla which has been taken place in the state of Kerala. Now we have the overcrowding and defective ventilation causes airborne diseases. Please remember, overcrowding and defective ventilation causes airborne diseases. That is the reason whatever the COVID-19 which is spreading because of this overcrowd and the defective ventilation only. Next we have the dynasty that succeeded the Chalukyas in Western India was that of the Rashtrakutas. Please remember, whatever the dynasty that succeeded Chalukyas in the Western India was Rashtrakutas. These are the people who have constructed the Ajanta and Ellora caves. Anti-rabies vaccine, we knew that whatever the vaccine against dog bite, that vaccine is known as anti-vaccine, that is rabies. This had been discovered in the year 1885 by the scientist Louis Pasteur. We knew that he is also found pasteurization process converting from the milk to curd. The great musician in the Count of Akbar, Tansen was the main person during the time of Akbar. He was the main musician during that time. I request you guys, whoever is watching, I request you guys to check playlist once. You will find more than 1000 plus question papers, and as you can see, there is a telegram, you can join in that, and I want you guys to go through my playlist. You will see in this manner the whole playlist will be very useful for your competitive examinations, which is one of the finest material has been given. Next we have the energy is stored in the liver and muscles in the form of glycogen. Please remember, whatever the storage of energy in the liver and muscles, they are in the form of what? They are in the form of glycogen. You can see how exactly muscle glycogen is 2000 kilocalorie, in the liver it is 300 kilocalorie, and adipose tissue you have here, whatever the fat concerning, in that near about 10,000, it's near about 1 lakh kilocalorie you will find in it. So here 40 kilocalorie of blood sugar, blood glucose you will have in this, the content of glycogen. The highest temperature reached inside a pressure cooker will depend upon the weight placed upon the vent and the area of the vent. So whatever the temperature reached inside a pressure cooker will depending upon the weight placed upon the vent and the area of the vent. These are the main reason how the pressure cooker works. A common periscope is used to see outside objects above the water surface from inside in a submarine. We knew that whatever the periscope, which is based on the reflection formula, and these are maximum you will find in underwater, that is submarines. For deflection of light, it uses the total internal reflection. That is what exactly happens in that. There will be a plane mirrors which are placed in a 45-degree angle with which it can be easily watched. So that is depends upon total internal reflection principle only. Next we have in electroplating, the object to be coated is used as cathode. Please remember, whatever we do electroplating, the object to be coated with the used as a cathode in that. And in galvanization, the coating with the zinc will be taken place. The Indian scientist whose name is associated with a certain type of elementary particles is, that is Bose. We knew that the latest discovery, the Higgs boson particle, God particle, is the name after the Satyendranath Bose. So whatever the God particle, Higgs boson, that is largest hadron collider which is underground, which is happening the collision of neutron and proton, that is taken place in the Switzerland. Now it has been tunneled near about 25 kilometers. You can have a look what exactly largest hadron collider is in internet, Big Bang theory. So in that, the scientist Satyendranath Bose, he is the physicist. On his name, this Indian scientist whose name is associated with the, that is elementary particle, is Bose. The solutions will quantitatively absorb oxygen. That solution is alkaline pyrogalol. This is one thing you have to remember. The solution will quantitatively absorb oxygen is alkaline pyrogalol. The following forms an acidic oxide when burnt in oxygen, that is phosphorus. We knew that the phosphorus, red phosphorus, is used in matchsticks. What are the following forms an acidic oxide when burnt in oxygen? That is phosphorus. That is in acidic form. Diamond and graphite, these are all allotropic forms of carbon, are the similar in atomic weight. We knew that the carbon has got 6 is the atomic weight. High alumina cement can be prepared by heating a mixture of bauxite and dicalcium silicate. Please remember, whatever the high alumina cement, that can be prepared by heating a mixture of bauxite and dicalcium silicate. This is what exactly you have to remember. The Dandi March is associated with civil disobedience movement. Please remember guys, we knew that it was headed by the Mahatma Gandhi, that is concerning with the civil disobedience movement also. The oldest Veda is Rig Veda, which is known as the oldest Veda. The Vedas and the especially the Rig Veda contain knowledge and information that suggests that the ancient knew more about the true nature of the universe and reality that can be explained. The main theme for this can be found in the secret astrological code of the Rig Veda to select articles, as you can see whatever has been given. So here you have to remember the oldest is among all. The Rig Veda is the oldest one. Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharvana Veda, these are the 4 Vedas. The latest one is Atharvana Veda. Next we have the Indian farmers are most idle during hot dry season. Please remember guys, whoever the Indian farmers are, they are most idle during hot dry season. Strict moral conduct and virtual life in the way to salvation. This theory belongs to what? That theory belongs to Jainism. So this is what exactly you have to remember. Strict moral conduct and virtue life is the way to salvation. This theory belongs to what? Jainism. In Jainism you will find this moral conduct and virtue life. The source of energy disturbs the human the most is, we knew that whatever the nuclear energy, that is one of the maximum disturbing energy, which is at greatest impact we will find in that. Muhammad Ghazni attacked India many times, mainly to plunder India's wealth. Please remember, as you can see to the right side, near about 17 times he had attacked against India, against Somnath temple. He had looted a lot from the Somnath temple. So during the time of Aurangzeb. Take-off stage in an economy means steady growth begins. This is what you have to remember. Whatever the take-off stage in an economy, that means steady growth begins. It is not advisable to sleep under a tree at night because trees release carbon dioxide. We knew that whatever the discharge comes from during the night time from the plants and trees, that is carbon dioxide. That is the reason we are not advisable to sleep under the trees. Ghatotkacha, as you can see, the half man and the half demon, he is the son of Bhima. So he is, in Mahabharata you will find Ghatotkacha, he is the son of Bhimasena. The cancer is caused because of uncontrolled multiplication of cells. That is the reason why we get the cancer. Because of this reason, the uncontrolled multiplication of cells takes place. The non-conventional source of energy, we knew that biogas is the one which is a non-conventional source of energy. That is the reason we will find in biogas as a methane is the main constraint in that. This is my mobile number guys. You can call me on 7666730252 or message me by WhatsApp. There are near about 2100 PDF of GK and GS have been given. You can directly go through whatever has been given. Thank you guys. I hope you are going all through whatever the videos have been given, which are very useful for all competitive examinations. Have a good day. Have a great life.